The time I was born is during the one-child policy, so I only have myself in my family, so all my families can't pay attention to me. So I kind of like grew up in all my grandparents, my parents all focus on me. They focus on my studies, they focus on my friends, everything I have. It's kind of different from growing up in Western countries. So I choose human nutrition is because I'm into science, but I don't know what science should I do. I'm kind of like how food and diet influence on human bodies. I'm kind of into that stuff, so it kind of makes me to think, what should I do? Next year, I'm going to on a research placement in California, which is part of the course. I'm quite looking forward to do that. The placement for this course is kind of important, so when you graduate, you have like idea to know what you want to do and what you don't want to do. And when you graduated, you still have a year background of your like work placement. So I think when you're looking for a job after graduated, it's a really good advantages of that. I'm sure I've never been to the States before, so I'm quite looking forward to that.